Hi, my name is Josh Ezel. I'm the owner of Breakthrough Handyman Services. Thanks for checking out this video. You're probably wondering, why am I watching a video about this handyman company? That's a great question. Well, Breakthrough Handyman Services. Well, the name should give it away. We're the breakthrough in the handyman industry. There are so many handyman here in the Valley. There's so many companies here in the Valley. So what sets Breakthrough aside? We are the best. We got started to answer all of the problems, from not showing up on time to not communicating, to charging too much, to changing the bills, to, just not quality jobs, you name it. We are the answer to all of those things. So if you're a great handyman that might have experience in carpentry, electrical, plumbing, HVAC, landscaping, you name it, give us a call. But we're not looking for just anybody. There are lots of, let's call them Uncle Phils, that think they know how to fix a toilet or do some drywall repairs. We may or may not be the company for you. We are looking for professional. If you are prompt, if you are experienced, and if you're looking for a real career. All right, a lot of handymen are free spirits, and that's wonderful. You know, you probably got into this industry to be able to have the freedom, right? That's perfectly cool. But if you're looking for a company that's going to keep you full of jobs that prides themselves on quality, that are continuing to grow and just be the best, we're the company for you. All right, click the link below. Feel free to leave a message. Give us a call, 602-938-5415. Right now, we're currently looking for 2 full-time people, 2 part-time people, and the name Handyman is just a name. We are looking for handy people. It does not matter. Male, female, does not matter. We are looking for professional, reliable, courteous team players. So if that's you, give us a call. We'd love to chat. Thank you so much. We'll talk to you soon.